Greetings from International Rescue Committee from Elizabeth, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about Lautenberg program for former Soviet Union nations. Lautenberg program is a family reunification program for religious minorities that allows certain individuals legally residing in the U.S. to bring their family members from former Soviet Union countries to the U.S. through the U.S. Refugee Admissions Program. Benefits of this program: if approved, your relatives would arrive to the U.S. with refugee status, and on top of that, within a year, they might be able to apply for adjustment of status or a green card. In order to file, you need to be legally residing in the United States and be 18 years old or older or married. In order to file, you will need to hold one of the statuses. You need to be refugee, asylee, legal permanent resident, or green card holder, U.S. citizen, parolee, or TPS, or temporary protected status. If you qualify, please provide one of the following documents: U.S. passport, certificate of naturalization, lawful permanent resident card, Form I-94 for refugees valid for 1 year only, Form I-94 showing UHP status if you were paroled here under United for Ukraine program, or certificate confirming asylum status. On this slide, you'll be able to see documents are accepted as a proof of your legal status in the U.S. Who you can file for. You can file for spouse, children, parents, grandparents, or grandchildren. For whom could you file? You could file for citizens of one of 15 countries, such as Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Estonia, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Latvia, Lithuania, Moldova, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Ukraine, or Uzbekistan. On top of that, your family members should be a member of a religious minority, such as Jews, Jehovah's Witnesses, Evangelical Christians, Ukrainian Greek Catholics, Ukrainian Orthodox Orthodox Church. The next step would be filing an affidavit of relationship. I just want to point your attention that there is no fee to prepare or file affidavit of relationship. What information is needed in order to participate in this program? The first would be accurate and complete names of relatives, family relationships, correct overseas addresses, copies of passports for all applicants, copy of your marriage certificate if married, copies of applicants' marriage certificates if married, copies of documents that prove your relationship with an applicant, adoption papers if applicable, passport style photos for every single applicant, proof of your immigration status as a qualifying U.S. tie, and a preliminary questionnaire filled out by applicants over age of 14. What to expect? So first stage would be pre-screening. After your affidavit of relationship has been filed by a designated refugee resettlement agency, your family members will undergo a pre-screening and interview. After that would be security check. Your family members will undergo multiple types of security checks prior to departure. After that would be followed interview in the USCIS by the USCIS. If the case will be after the interview stage, the case will be adjudicated and decision on refugee status will be made. If those who are approved as refugees during the USCIS interviews are required to complete a medical exam conducted by the International Organization for Migration or an embassy-approved panel physician. After that, your family members will be provided with cultural orientation before traveling to the United States. And the last step would be travel and entry to the US. Your family members will travel to the United States, and International Organization for Migration will assist with travel arrangements. A refugee resettlement agency will provide them with resettlement services when they arrive in the United States. I just want to highlight the fact that applicants should not self-arrange travel to the United States because that would disqualify them for the participation in this program. If you require more information, please contact Ukrainian Legal Services at IRC on the base at IRC Elizabeth at the phone number 646-793-0019 or 201-293-7272. Thank you and have a great day.